Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Commonwealth AU Bank credit card online. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Commonwealth Bank AU, then click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, we're in their official website. So next we're going to click on credit cards under the banking section. So as you can see, this is the list of credit cards they have. As you scroll downwards, they have numerous of them. You guys could also see their features. Then once you select what you want, you're going to click on Apply Now. So if you're a new customer, you're going to click on Get Started, but if not, you're going to click on Apply Now if you're a customer. So once you click on Get Started, we have to download the app from the Google Store or from the App Store. Then you guys need to sign up there and complete your verification. Then you guys could request for the credit cards. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.